Now, at least 6 hurricanes and at least 3 major hurricanes are expected this Hurricane Atlantic season. And that's according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. It's a prediction that has officials urging people to plan ahead. Dominion Energy has already been planning with a $50 billion initiative to keep your lights on. That includes moving your power lines underground for power lines in at-risk areas. Dominion says it has upgraded the installation and size of power poles. Some customers say they're already seeing shorter, if any, outage times, something Dominion hopes to continue moving forward.